So hey guys, welcome back to another video of crypto series. In this video we will talk about mainly about Web 3.0, why it is important and what role it will play in future, and two coins which is most important and at a good evaluation today can give you 100x profit from around 10 years. So I hope you will like this video. Please make sure to comment if you have any doubts or any queries, and please subscribe this channel for upcoming projects and videos, and I hope you will definitely like this video. So please also hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. So first we will talk about crypto fear and greed index. What is market at a current situation? Crypto fear and greed index is at 27 evaluation. The value of crypto index is 27, which means fear in the market. And yesterday it was extreme fear. We are catching from a month that market is getting bearish, and bearish trend is over it, and overall global market is also crashing with this, and global indices is also crashing because of certain reasons, and mainly because of Omicron virus. You can check stock market also. So mainly today we will talk about two coins. Two coins are Filecoin is the first, and second is Helium coin. So let us talk about Filecoin first. So Filecoin is most important coin in Web 3.0 development and for the progress. Currently Filecoin ranking is 35. We made video 2 weeks ago and the ranking was 41 of Filecoin. So Filecoin ranking is now 35, and most important coin is Filecoin in Web 3.0. Currently it is trading at a evaluation of 34.75 US dollars, which is a good evaluation of Filecoin according to me. The market cap is quite good market cap. You can see on our given screen. Market cap is 373 billion and circulating supply is 140 million Filecoin, and its all-time high was around 230 USDT, which is approximately 4x from this value. So market dominance is also good with 0.22 percentage. So basically Filecoin plays an important role in the Web 3.0, and stats shows the same. So let us talk about first Helium coin. Why Helium coin is also important with the Filecoin evaluation. Basically, Helium coin provides a decentralized storage which has good storage to amount the information. Information is basically important in near future, and crypto market is evolving because of Helium and Filecoin also. So let us talk about Helium, because Helium has been breaked out from our crucial points. So basically Helium is trading at around 36 USDT, which is equivalent to Filecoin, and Helium has broken out our chart. So basically, main support of Helium is around $28, $28.24. You can grab the opportunity if you get, and basically I hope Helium will get reject from here and it will be down to $32, and again make a pump with the head and shoulder movement. So basically it is at a good evaluation and use case is quite good of Helium. 50 EMA line is quite bullish on it, and 200 EMA line will reject Helium definitely from here, and our resistance level is at 37 US dollars. So you can execute our their points and make a good profit on Helium. So let us talk about the most important coin, which is Filecoin. Filecoin use case is quite vast in the crypto market and Web 3.0 market. Like in DeFi protocol, Compound and Aave plays an important role. In Metaverse, Axie Infinity, Mana and Sand plays an important role. So Filecoin is currently at an evaluation of $34. From here, it can break out very easily and give you healthy returns in short-term time frame. It is currently trading above the 50 EMA line and below our resistance level. Let me zoom it out. It is on the 4-hour chart and can give you a healthy returns in short term time frame. We are looking for $40 and $50 target. It will achieve, definitely it will achieve with the Bitcoin sideways or pumping movement. As I told earlier also, bullish market is coming for sure. So basically 200 EMA line which is coming at around $46 can reject it, and you can see on MACD index it is quite bullish, making a bullish divergence, and RSI index also it is making a bullish divergence. So in short term time frame the target is around 35, 39, and then $50, and in longer time frame you can gain up to 5 to 7x from here, and in more longer time frame, for example 10 years, you can get for sure and healthy returns near about 20 to 30x for sure. This is for sure returns. So please, I hope you like this video. Please make sure to comment down your happiness, and please subscribe this channel for upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.